Welcome to the wonderful world of doors and windows. Welcome to the world of Komaling. Komaling is a distinguished and leading brand of UPVC sheet windows and door profile systems. It is an offshoot brand of the international Profine group of companies. Komaling has become a force to reckon with in the international market for UPVC profiles for windows, doors, sheets, shutters as well as facade etc. Komaling was initiated under the aegis of visionary Mr. Carl Komaling way back in the year 1897 when he first of all founded a specialized shoe component in Germany. Komaling has been offering innovative products to its customers since then. It had amazed the world by launching the first UPVC roller shutter in 1957. After a period of 10 years, it had introduced the extrusion of window profiles made of modified high-impact UPVC sheets in the year 1967. The empire of Komaling is spreading worldwide across the globe because of its amazing and spectacular products of window and door profiles. As India is opening its doors for foreign investment in markets, Komaling is also planning to spread its wings far and wide in India. Komaling, UPVC doors and windows, now being manufactured in India. Have started its extrusion plant in India at Vadodara, Gujarat, spread over an area of 3 acres of land from the 25th of May 2013. Initially, 3 extrusion lines are running with expansion up to 10 lines planned for the near future. Its annual turnover is expected to be 20 million euros in the coming years.
Profine through its brand Komaling has attained height of success purely on the basis of customer satisfaction and quality. People have a strong liking towards this brand, and that is what has made Profine as the world #1 leader in production of UPVC door and window profiles. Profine has started a new manufacturing facility in Vadodara, which we are quite hopeful will prove to be a big success in the Indian subcontinent. Customer has been the basis for the success of Profine, and we intend to grow with the growth of the customers and the Indian market.
Hello India, we are coming. Profine India starts its activities here in India now in Vadodara with the biggest brand with Komaling. We will start with up to 1,000 metric tons a year and grow up into the shortest time up to 10,000 metric tons. We will start with the best quality, with a high quantity and a very good support and a good and close workingship with our customers. We are with the best tools and with the best machines from the world here landed now in India, and we will grow with our customers. Let's go India.
The main focal point of Komaling is innovative design of its products and continuous research and development suitable for different markets. It is responsible for translating your ideas from your drawing board to the factory floor through its customized approach. Komaling offers a fabulous range of design possibilities to its customers as per their requirements in large-scale fenestration elements, facades and standard windows and doors. It is known for its efficient and skilled quality of human resources. It has various training centers where new customers get to know the technology profile systems and learn about the manufacture and installation of the finished windows. During the extrusion process, the size and dimensions of profiles are checked and tested at various levels of quality control mechanism. The quality and excellence of Komaling has been achieved through years of passionate and dedicated hard work since the time of its inception. Every profile product is monitored visually, chemically and physically as per the specification of quality and ISO standards. The uniformity of quality is completely taken care of. There are n number of window profile systems manufactured by Komaling, which include single, double, triple glazed unit wherein glass and frames are carefully assembled, and sliding, tilt and turn window profiles etc. The Komaling window system is made noise-proof from traffic as wholly sound insulated materials are used, which reduces up to 45 decibels of noise. Adequate glazing also enhances this feature of sound reduction. There is also a feature of less energy consumption caused due to heating or air conditioning. The window profiles are completely weatherproof and these are not affected by rain, strong wind and snowfall, etc. There is complete resistance to any warping, corrosion and UV radiation. And its color also remains intact forever. There are attractive designs and color options available for the choice of customers. Besides that, there is a smooth and shiny surface of windows which is completely hygienic and antibacterial. The other most significant feature of Comalink windows and door profiles is GreenLine. It is a concept of environment-friendly profiles and it uses 100% calcium zinc as stabilizer in its compound for sake of a healthy environment. Comalink has been offering a complete range of lead-free products since the year 2001. It has been actively supplying UPVC window and door profiles in India since the last 7 years. It has been bringing these profiles from their facility in China and Germany. Profine Group has the existing turnover of 800 million euros. Profine with its brand Comalink is expected to get significant success in India as already many of its customers exist in India which are going to be increased manifolds after the inception of this new venture. The company is starting with approximately 1,000 metric tons of production in India right now and it is expected to do 10,000 metric tons of production in a very short span of time. We are quite optimistic for achieving a landmark success. The Indian plant in Vadodara is equipped with the most modern and innovative machines which are brought from Battenfeld in Germany and tools are developed from Greiner, Austria. Some of the major work executed by the Indian channel partners working with Comalink profiles includes a huge clientele of hotels. And it also has many real estate companies as clients in the NCR. The best brands are backed by great vision, and Comalink is not an exception either. It has come a long way in terms of success and trust amongst its customers in the world. Profine brings a new opportunity for growth to our clients in India. Join us in our journey to success.